Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Forever 21. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in forever21.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Forever 21 website. Now in order to create a new account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and now you will see the create account button. Click on this button and then fill up your first and your last name. Then enter your preferred email address and then enter your phone number within the phone number box. Then choose your date of birth and then enter your preferred account password. You will then be required to enter this new password once again and then click on the create account button. Once you click on this button, you will be asked to check your phone to find a verification code to activate your account. So check your SMS and enter the given code within the given screen. After entering the code from your phone number as well as your email address, your account will be created and you will be able to start shopping from Forever 21. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Forever 21. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.